They have given two equations 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. The second equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. Now to remove the decimal places there, we will multiply the entire first equation by 10. So we are going to get 2x plus 3y equal to 13. By multiplying throughout by 10, the equation becomes 2x plus 3y equal to 13. You know that 0.2 into 10 is 2, 0.3 into 10 is 3, 1.3 into 10 is 13. Similarly, multiplying the second equation by 10, you will get 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now, taking the first equation, we have 2x plus 3y equal to 13. So, 2x equal to 13 minus 3y. So, your x value is going to be 13 minus 3y by 2. We are going to substitute this in the second equation. We have 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Instead of x, we are going to substitute 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y equal to 23. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then multiply inside, you will have 26 minus 6y plus 5y equal to 23. Take this 26 to the other side. Minus 6y plus 5y will be minus y equal to 23 minus 26. So we will have, let me do it here. We will have minus y equal to 23 minus 26 is going to be minus 3. Minus and minus will be cancelled. So your y value is 3. Now we have found our y value. We are going to substitute it in this and find x value. Your x value is 13 minus 3y by 2. That is 13 minus 3 into 3, which is 9. Because we have y here, instead of y, if you substitute 3, then it is going to be 3 into 3, that is 9, divided by 2. 13 minus 9 is 4, 4 by 2. So your x value is 2. Now we have found both x and y values using the substitution method. They have given two equations, root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. We are going to find the values of x and y using the substitution method. The first equation is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. So, okay, we will take root 3y is equal to, taking this to the other side, we will have minus root 2x. Then y is going to be minus root 2x divided by root 3. So this is going to be the value of y. Okay, now we are going to substitute this value of y in the second equation. The second equation is root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So root 3x minus root 8 into minus root 2x by root 3 equal to 0. So we will have root 3x minus into minus will become plus. Root 8 into root 2 is root 16, which is nothing but 4x, because root of 16 is 4, divided by root 3 equal to 0. Now taking LCM, the LCM is going to be root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is going to be 3. 3x plus 4x divided by root 3 equal to 0. Taking this root 3 to the other side, root 3 into 0 will become 0. So we are going to have 7x is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 0. Now we have found the value of x. We are going to substitute this value of x here to find the value of y. You have y is equal to minus root 2x by root 3. When you substitute x is equal to 0, 0 into root 2 is 0. Then 0 divided by root 3 is 0. So finally you have y value is also 0. Now we have found both the values, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. They have given two equations, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2, x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. We are going to solve these two equations by substitution method and find the value of x and y. First we will bring it to the normal form of a linear pair of equation in two variables, that is ax plus by equal to minus c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what we are going to do is we will take the first equation, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. This is the given equation. I am going to take LCM here. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So multiply the numerator also by 3. Then we will have 9x minus 3 into 2 is 6. So multiply numerator also by 2. Then we will have 10y equal to minus 2. Take this 6 to the other side. Then we will have 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12, because 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Now you have brought the first equation to the general format. Similarly we will do that for the second equation also. We have directly we will take LCM. So 3 into 2 is 6. Multiply the numerator also by 2. So we will have 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Multiply numerator also by 3. Then we will have 3y equal to 13 by 6. Now denominators on both the sides are same, which can be cancelled. Then you have 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Now we have brought the second equation also to the general form. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Now we are going to find y in terms of x or x in terms of y. So we will start doing it here. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Then 2x is going to be 13 minus 3y. So your x value is going to be 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Now we have found what is going to be x. We are going to substitute this in that second equation. Oh, this is the second equation. So we are going to substitute this in the first equation, which we will do in the next page. Now the first equation is The first equation is 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. We are going to substitute our value of x here instead of x. So we will have 9 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. So we have 9 into 13, 9 3s are 27, carry 2, then we have 117 minus 27y divided by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. Then taking LCM throughout, we will have 117 minus 27y minus 20y equal to minus 12 divided by 2. Now, so we are going to have 117 minus 27 minus 20 is minus 47y divided by 2 equal to, or we will take that 2 to the other side in that step itself. So what is going to happen is, taking this 2 to the other step, it will become minus 12 into 2, that is minus 24. Now take this 117 to the other side, so we will have minus 47y equal to minus 24 minus 117, that is minus 47y equal to, when you add this to minus 117 minus 24, then we are going to have 11 carry 1, 141 minus 141 minus 141. So your y value is going to be minus 141 divided by minus 47. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So we are going to have 3, because 3 into 47 is 141. Now we have found our y value. Y value is 3. We are going to substitute it there. We are going to substitute it here. So your x value is going to be 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. That is, x is equal to 13 minus 9 divided by 2, which is nothing but 4 by 2. So your x value is 2, y value is 3. This is the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Gabriel,